Lunch for today, creamy coconut curry chicken. Tara, luto tayo ng chicken curry for 30 minutes. Gagamitin natin ay filet thigh part or breast part, pwede din po. Tara, isisin muna natin bago siya lutuin. Curry, garlic powder, Spanish paprika powder, at turmeric powder. Lalagyan natin ng black pepper, salt, then haluin natin para mag-mix ng ating mga ingredients. Then fry natin ang marinated chicken for 7 minutes on both sides. Same pan, magsusutay tayo ng onion, garlic, coconut milk or gata, ng curry seasoning. Maglalagay din tayo ng chicken cube. Mix natin hanggang maluto ang ating coconut milk. Lunch for today, creamy coconut curry chicken.